Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for sleeping dogs, where I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this page, just click on Options and then click on Controller Layout. Now within this option, you will find the various key mappings that have been assigned. If you wish to change any of these options, then simply click on your currently chosen option and then press the button that you want to associate it with. You can change this for all of your buttons individually, and you may also go into the foot controls as well as driving controls from the Change section button. After you have redefined all of your controls to your preference, you can go back and save your changes. And now your controls have been set up, and you can use them to play your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the Sleeping Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.